Na nedavno održanom prvom Balkanskom festivalu filmske režije nagrada Dušan Makavejev za najbolji film u međunarodnom takmičarskom programu Misterije filma dodeljena je ostvarenju Postaće pepeo u režiji Španca Carlosa Marquesa Marceta. O nagrađenoj muzičkoj drami o eutanaziji razgovaramo s glumicom Monikom Almiral, kojoj je ovo prvi put na velikom ekranu, a drugi da je u Beogradu. Nakon 15 godina apstraktnog teatra, sada ste po prvi put na filmu. Verujem da vam je bilo suđeno da to bude baš žan muzička drama. Reditelj Carlos kaže da bi snimio film sa 20 Monika.
Wow, this is so beautiful. It was like a dream, like something that I was not expected, but it was really organic. Carlos take care a lot of me. He rehearsed a lot, explained me a lot, shared a lot of doubts of the script, doubts of locations. So I feel a bit part of this path with him, and I love a lot shots. I love a lot this thing that action and you should go. And Carlos gave a lot of freedom to the actors, so it was really beautiful. I want to do a lot of films with him also, hopefully in the future.
U filmu ste Violeta, ćerka para koji je 40 godina u braku, a koji bira eutanaziju. Da li je uz pesmu zaista lakše pokazati emocije?
Yes, in fact, I think the idea of Carlos to bring the musical to the film was exactly that sometimes words cannot express the feelings that we had. So maybe through the music, through the movement, we go farther and even to express intuition feelings that we don't, maybe, we cannot put a word, I feel that, no? So yes, I think it was this kind of put outside the things that we cannot express otherwise. But it was not easy to do a music, like to sing and everything. It was really a challenge for me, for sure. I think for Angela also, but it was beautiful at the end.
Kako je bilo sarađivati sa Angelinom Molinom, glumicom koja je stekla svetsku popularnost posle Bunjelovog filma Taj mračni predmet želja?
Yeah, she was a really mom for me. She take cares a lot. It's very cariñosa. It's very like, and also the one of the best things that she had on set is like the real present. She don't repeat anything she does. So one shot is like this and the other one gonna change. So you as a partner, you should be very present all the time because maybe she changed lines, maybe. So I like his intuition for me it's like a hurricane. He comes, takes you and always very connect with herself and what she feels that is pure in that moment. It was like, for me, it was like a really school of drama to, I should accept and react and also send to her as much true as I can. And that this is, for sure, interpretation, but she's like a pure thing, like, yes, very free as an actress and as an artist. So yes, of course, I learned a lot. It was incredible. Yeah.
Film Postaće pepeo ima podudarnosti s Almodovarovom Susednom sobom. Gde ta sličnost počinje, a gde se završava?
Yes. For sure, the similarity is that someone decides, I don't want to go more. I have an illness that I gonna be recover, so stop, no? And this is maybe a debate, a taboo that we don't front in our societies sometimes, no? And I think both films, the good thing is like put this theme on the table, no? The difference is in Spain right now the euthanasia is legal since 3 years ago, and in North America no. So it's very different ways to front. I think in the characters of They Will Be Dust, our film, the characters don't have to confront to a bureaucracy, to a government. that gonna punish them to do that, because they decide to go to Switzerland because Fabio's character cannot do it in Spain. But the conversation around this are very easy. Even if only Claudia want to do it, she could do it in Spain with all the family and legally. And Pedro Almodóvar, no, this is like hardest, because this decision of the friend to be with someone to do something that can goes you to jail or very big problems, no? So I think then the speeches, the script goes for a different path, no?
S obzirom na to da smo na festivalu koji u fokusu ima reditelja, kako ste doživjeli saradnju sa Carlosom Marquesom Marcetom?
Everyone in the set told me that Carlos is not a usual director, because he records a lot, like, I don't know, the big scene, the main scenes, maybe we record 25 shots and even more, like. So, and he gives a lot of freedom to you. For example, in the script, if it says Violeta cries, he told me, or no, as you feel in that moment, no? So I have this only unique experience that people told me that is not as usual in cinema, that suddenly is more fragmental or more technical sometimes, or less shots, no? In 3 shots you should do it, and next one. And for that I feel really close to my way to do theater, because I work in a theater company or theater companies that are not classical or conservative. We do more performatic work or alternative work. So it was a very point of match in between our ways to try and mistake again and again, with Carlos' way and our way to do theater also. So maybe it's an unique experience. If I do another movie, I'm gonna answer another thing, and he's really incredible as a director, give you a lot of path to go and to walk as a character, and a lot of confidence with the actors, which is really nice. And he's with you close. Maybe the camera don't catch him, but talks to you in the ear or in between the scene. He talks to you so it's really nice, and yeah, good director, very good one.
Španski film je dosta popularan u Srbiji, kao i španski jezik. Kakve su bile reakcije srpske publike nakon filma i Q&A?
So yesterday, after the Q&A, a woman come to me. She's called Ana, is the only thing I know. And she gave me this present that is a batch of one of the actors, Olivera, he told me. And I was really touched, because I asked her, you are sure that you wanted to give him to me? And it's really nice to take a master of interpretation here in Serbia and bring him to me in my to Spain. And yeah, people were really excited to ask questions about the process, about the musical part also, no? Because now with this woman talk about Emilia Perez, no, that it was a success, also musical, also with the Spanish language, no? So I think the people were there enjoy, or at least yes, had a good experience with the film, with doubts and feelings, and I think it was good. Thank you. No, this was amazing.